Hi everybody. Remember, like, share, sharing is caring. Subscribe, smash notifications, leave a comment. We're gonna get on with the cranberry chutney. First thing we're gonna need, of course, is cranberries, right here. This is 12 ounces of cranberries. You get them in the bag, in the produce section. That's what this is for. You can also use frozen. Frozen, you might have a little bit more liquid in it, but you know, it'll still work. I'm gonna go over some of the major components here. Cranberries, of course. I've got some red wine. 2 pears. I'm gonna need some lemon juice. Sugar. Golden raisins. And I've got 2 medium small shallots. So for now, I need to do some prep. I'll be back in just a second after that's done. Okay, I'm back. Diced up my pears, chopped my shallots, about a 1/4 inch dice on the shallots, about a 1/2 inch dice on the pear. Also, got my lemon ready to go. So let's get this started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring out a little bit of flavor on the shallots, so I'm just gonna get them going with a little bit of oil. And just, like I said, just to get them started. We'll hit them with a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. Well, this is gonna season the whole dish, so maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. So I really don't want any color on this. I just want, what I want. I just want to soften these up a little bit. Okay, like I said, just a little bit. Just wanted to get them started a bit. I'm going to add in the apples. I'm going to add in the pears. The red wine. And the cranberries. Bring that up to a boil. May seem like it's not enough liquid, but trust me, it will probably be more than enough. Let's throw in the raisins also. And I'm also going to throw in about, this is 3/4 of a cup of sugar. I'm going to throw in about 2/3 of it, so about a 1/2 cup. And then I'll check it later on and see if it needs more sugar. Now let's talk spices. I'm gonna throw the kitchen sink in it. Or, well, in this case, the spice cabinet. I've got my little ball. You were getting very sleepy. Start off with about 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Same amount of coriander. I've got 10 allspice berries. About 10 peppercorns. 5 cardamom pods. Green cardamom. And then we're going to throw in 2 star anise pods. Throw it in our little ball here, and we'll toss that in. just bring that up to a boil. So we got one more flavor we're throwing in. I've got half a teaspoon of turmeric. Well, a heaping half teaspoon. Now for the easy part. Let it cook. Okay, this has been going for about 10 minutes. Let's give it a little squeeze of lemon. Probably about a tablespoon. Give that a stir. Now let's check for flavor. That's right where I like it. Half a cup of sugar was perfect for me. If you want a little sweeter, you can throw in the rest of the sugar. But for now, all we have to do is let this cool. See how this ball works? Really good. All we have to do is let this cool, refrigerate it, and we've got a cranberry pear chutney. All right, this stuff is done. This is my cranberry chutney. It's gonna be a heck of a lot better than this stuff. So, what I did after I left you, I let this cool. Let it cool completely. One of the things you're gonna notice is all that liquid turned into a nice thick syrup. That's thanks to a little thing called pectin. Cranberries are loaded with it. Pears have a good share of it. Once that gets released, it's gonna thicken. And of course, pectin is what you make jams and jellies out of. So this is Chef Terry. Happy Thanksgiving. Here's my little contribution to the party.